Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the file open in Drive. First, convert or preview the Excel sheet in Google Sheets so permissions work smoothly. Once done, click the Share button at top right and type Collaborator Emails or choose a link sharing option. Make sure to pick the correct access level, view, comment, or edit, because that determines what people can change. If you want strict control, restrict link access and add users individually. This prevents accidental edits when multiple people open the file. Now refine permissions in the sharing dialog by clicking the gear or advanced options. This is where you disable downloads, restrict editors from changing access, or set expiration dates for temporary access. Once you've adjusted those, add users or groups and assign roles, editors can change content, commenters can annotate, viewers only inspect. Make sure to transfer ownership if someone else should manage the file. If sharing across a company domain, restrict to that domain to keep data internal and auditable. Finish by sending the invite and including context so recipients know expectations and any editing rules. Once sent, verify access yourself by opening the link in an incognito window or a different account to confirm roles behave as intended. If someone reports they cannot open the file, make sure the file was converted or accessible format, that link sharing is enabled, and that you didn't set an unintended expiration. A quick owner transfer, or re-adding the email, usually resolves stubborn permission errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.